Welcome to Space Internet Solutions. Today we're just outside Lancaster on a milking farm. Current speed around here was a SIM router with about 5 meg. Trying to take the whole farm off it, so opted for Starlink. Fitted there on a galvanised bracket 2-inch pole, nice and secure as it's remote. Cable routed around the shutters into the lounge. With them fed a Cat 6 cable off the catenary. Feed it all the way around and to the end of the barn and across into the milking shed. Set up a little Wi-Fi hotspot in there for them, and the speeds around the whole farm now come in about 240 meg, no matter where you are. If you need installation, anyway in Lancaster or Lancashire, feel free to get in touch.